So what? I stutter.
What up, what up, what up, what up, what up, world? It's your man C1 coming at you. You know what I'm saying? C1 the barber. Follow me on all the social media platforms, Instagram and Facebook. You know what I mean? YouTube. I'm not a barber yet. You know, amateur barber slash future barber. You know, I'm just trying to show y'all out there. I'm a little decent with the clippers. You know what I'm saying? And also, if you somebody that, even if you ain't trying to be a barber, you just, trying to save a little bit of cash, or you ain't got time to run to the salon or the barber shop or your man that cut you up or your homegirl that cut you up and you just want to do it yourself, if you got some clippers, any clippers, the clippers I got, as you see those right there, got those from, my local Walmart years ago. You know what I'm saying? Because I've been cutting hair for about 10 years, ever since college, cutting my own hair, coming up my friends, cutting up my son. You know, once again, my son's the one that inspired me to take that step and become a barber. You see, I got that one guard on. You know what I'm saying? Trying to bring it down real quick. Bring it down one level. Look at them grays, yeah. Look at them grays. Trying to get it even. I swear I know what I'm doing. I swear. And I'm just using the regular cell phone, y'all. I'm not using nothing special. Anybody out there that's, you make an excuse that you can't make no video or whatever, you got a smartphone. More than likely, you got a smartphone or you got a tablet. But you got to just take your time. You see, I got the dreads is still a little somewhat freshly done. You can see the roots. You can see the scalp. You can see the scalp. You know what I'm saying? You can see the scalp. You know what I'm saying? I need a little fresh twisting up, touch it up, but you can see the scalp still. That's the best time to shape yourself up and everything if you got dreads or braids or something because when your joints is when your hair is done or somewhat done, the barber or whoever or you yourself they could shape you up good. They know this way, how far back not to go because they excuse me because they don't want to cut too much of your hair or they shouldn't want to cut too much of your hair. Because if you getting braids or dreads or something, that could be new hair that, you could get twisted up into a dread or get, braided into a braid. As you see how I'm going back. See, I'm using my thumb to kind of check out where I'm at so I don't cut too much of. And as you see again, you know what I'm saying? You see the scalp. And still, once again, need to touch up the back of the dreads, get them retwisted up a little bit. But you see that new growth. You see the new growth. Yeah, I'm a nut. And once again, I do DJ too, y'all. Please don't forget it. I'm not gonna stop DJing. I still do that on the side. It's my little side hustle thing, and I do, at the real DJ C1. You know what I'm saying? I ain't posting no new videos in a while, but we got some mixes coming soon. If you just need a DJ, for your local event, I do live here out in the Tampa area, Tampa, Florida. I'm a funny guy. I'm a cool guy. Look at that. Your boy, I swear I know what I'm doing. Look, oh, it's looking rough right there. Ooh. But yeah, just I just want to share my story. I want to become a barber. You know, um, I was cutting my son hair for years, whatever. He started wanting certain things I couldn't do. Fades. I wasn't as comfortable with doing fades as I am now as I was, a few years back. I missed that bonding time with my son. So I wanted to, learn how to, cut him up enough just to get that little bonding time back with my little man. But once, like I said in the last video, the first video, you know, my my pursuit of just trying to be able to cut the hairstyles that he want, I noticed a lot of you YouTubers out there, some of the big names, some of the small names, but cats just doing what they love. Pretty much what I saw was like, cats is happy doing what they love. Some cats, switch their professions and what they were doing to doing this and they happy. I definitely see that they doing their work, that they put in their hard work. But something I saw, that it's a lucrative business. If you put in the time and the work and the energy, like most things in life and most things, you can make it happen. But I believe in myself. I do have some. I do have a degree. I got 2 degrees. I'm not trying to show off, but I some people might try to crack and talk to, oh, just do it uneducated and blah blah blah. I'm educated. And for those that's thinking, well, Corey, why would you want to be a barber when you got degrees? You got your master's degree and blah blah blah. Because I thought long and hard about it and I did my research. If you heard the first video, and I'm gonna probably make a video just giving my reasons all together, but it's something that I think I have a little bit of skill at, something I think I'm decent at, and doing my research and getting this time back on my son, and I'm heavily into art, and I just realized I learned that I can just apply a lot of things about myself into this field. Once again, as you can see, I'm not uncomfortable cutting myself up, cutting hair up. I'm not nice yet with it. I'm gonna get nice. Trust me, I'm gonna get nice because I'm gonna take this serious now. You know what I'm saying? But I'm decent. As I keep cutting more hair and practicing, and then when I get into barber school, I'm gonna only get better and continue to get better, continue to get better, and continue to get better. And I'm gonna keep telling my story. I'm not that person that I wanted to be a barber from the jump. I didn't grow up wanting to be a barber. Had a little talent, got a little bit of skill, and indirectly, and just the pursuit of just trying to get time back with my son, I realized, and once again, I researched and realized, wow, this is a very lucrative field to get into. This is a good profession to get into. This is a respectable profession to get into. If you're handling your business and you're doing what you got to do, you know. Some of my friends are barbers or own barbershops. I talk to them. I researched. I read some books. Looked up information on the internet. Talked to them. Talked to local barbers. Cats I networked with on Instagram and other social media sites. Picking their brains, getting ideas. You know, some of my family members are barbers or former barbers and cosmetologists. They give me insight and giving me barber game and the industry game, and just it just really feels like me. As you get to know me as I make these videos, you're gonna learn and see that this does fit my personality, and you're gonna see that, okay, your boy can't cut a little bit of hair. Look at me, look at me. I think I know what I'm doing. And I know I don't have, the best clippers right now, but I'm getting some new ones now, yeah. Like I said in my last video, I wasn't really taking clippers serious like that. It was just, I didn't get some clippers to shape myself up and my son up and whoever up, maybe cut myself up once a month, something like that. It wasn't nothing serious, but I learned that, and once I decided, let me look into this a little bit more. My clippers are trash. Straight trash. Gibas. You know what I'm saying? Hey, yo, don't forget, yo, if you like the video, you think I'm a funny dude, I'm a comical dude, please hit that like button, hit that share button, hit that follow, subscribe, all the above. At this point, it's 2020. You know what to do. Please, it's just support. Please support. I'm just a funny dude, has a little bit of talent. I believe in myself. I believe in making it happen. You hear the old adage, if you believe it, you can achieve it. I believe it. I'm gonna make it true. I'm gonna take everything that I've learned over the years from college, my job and past jobs, and just my experience in life, and then other things that I've learned from running my DJ business. I believe that I can do this. I mean, just look at what I'm doing. Once again, it ain't nice. I ain't nice with it. I'm decent. Remember how the video started? You saw that crazy new growth I had? I was looking crazy. And if you saw the last video I had, number one, oof. When you say woofing, what's crazy? I used to always refer to myself as, when I'm growing my stuff out, when my hair is growing out and I haven't retwisted the new growth, and I haven't shaped myself up in a minute for whatever the reason. I've been saying, yo, I look like a werewolf. I look like a werewolf, and then here it is. Oh, that's the term, wolfing. Didn't even know it. I just was like, I'm looking crazy like a wolf, all this hair. Something out of Teen Wolf. The classic one, not the new one that a lot of you young people like. Now, don't I ain't gonna lie, that new one was kind of. Listen, I'm a grown man. I ain't gonna lie. I was liking that MTV version of Teen Wolf. Listen, call me whatever you want. I don't care. You know what I'm saying? I'm a family man. I already got my family. So I got my wife. I got my kids. Some of y'all gonna have jokes. Some of y'all gonna be like, yeah, that was a good series. I mean, I thought it was the. I mean, it wasn't The Walking Dead, but it was decent. Whenever I caught it, I caught it. I didn't finish it up the last season, but whenever I caught it, I caught it. But back to this joint. Look at your boy. My fault. I got off topic. Look how we use that razor. As you said, I just learned how to use a razor within the past couple months because I was scared. I was like, man, I know how to use a regular shaver, the regular razor that we buy from the store, but that's the straight one. Your boy was like, I'm not putting this on my head like the barber, so I ain't messing with that. I ain't doing that. But I just slowly taught myself, trying to get it right. Trying to get it right. Oh, but as you see, if I can do it, what I'm saying? Look at this. There's nothing hard about what I did. So if you just trying to save a little bit of money, or you ain't got the time to run down to a local barbershop, or your man's or your lady who shapes your, get yourself some clippers. You don't gotta do the razor. You don't gotta do the razor. You just want the clipper. Shape yourself up real quick. Part of my elbow. I apologize. It's that camera angle using the cell phone. Everything's gonna get upgraded, y'all. Don't worry. I'm gonna get different cameras eventually. I'm gonna invest in myself, and everything's gonna upgrade. All you're gonna do is as I grow, you're gonna see my growth. And I'm just trying to show people or anybody, go for your dream, whatever it might be. Don't use nothing as an excuse. I have a current job, but I'm into art. I'm into a lot of different things, but I want to do this, and I'm gonna make it happen. I'm gonna make it happen. I'm gonna show people like, yo, look at that. Look at that C cup. Oh, I'm gonna call it the Connecticut C because that's where I'm from. I'm from Connecticut, and a lot of people they call it the Chicago C. The C cup and everything like that. But I'm gonna try to call it the Connecticut C because that's where I'm from. You know what I'm saying? Or that's that C1 cup. Everybody call me C1. Yeah, I just put some shaving cream on a little small amount of shaving cream on the other side of my face. I got sensitive skin. Just getting a little bit moist. And, you see at the top of my forehead. But that's what I was doing, rubbing in. I bump up easily, so I was just. You didn't see me do it on this side on my right hand side that you could see. You know, but I did that first and then wiped it off, so it just wasn't all caked up on, just for the camera angles. Oh, and I'm gonna let this be known right now. You know, as y'all follow me and rock with me, because I hope that y'all do. Y'all gonna learn about me, because my videos is not gonna just be tutorials. Me showing how to cut hair, how to cut my hair. I'm gonna be talking to y'all about me and my life, giving y'all my personality. Hopefully, you can like me. But I'm gonna let this be known right now in regards to sports. My teams. This is my teams. I'm a ride or die fan. I'm a Boston Celtics fan, and I'm a Philadelphia Eagles fan. You know what I'm saying? So all you sports fans out there, or you Eagles haters, or you Celtics haters, I want all that smoke with all of y'all. You please put it in the comments. Whatever game you got, please keep it respectful. Please keep it respectful. Don't go overboard. Don't OD with it. You know what I'm saying? Even just comments in general in regards to the cut. See the alcohol, because you gotta wipe yourself down. You gotta make sure you clean yourself up so you don't bump up and irritated and all that good jazz. You gotta wipe yourself off. But back to what I was saying though. Any comments, please put them down below in regards to your haircut. Anything that I was talking about, any words of wisdom that you have for me. If you want to drop me some jewels, some pearls of wisdom, I appreciate it. I'm trying to get better. I want to get better. I want to grow. I want to keep growing even when I get my license and I become a barber and I'm a barber for however long. I want to keep growing and I want to learn from whoever. Anybody that's been in the game longer than me, anybody that's in the game now, who am I to say I don't want some new knowledge? Even if it's something that I might already possibly know, sure, give me the game. That just lets me know, hey, you know what, I'm thinking about things the right way. Yeah, I put that Nivea aftershave balm on. So you don't bump up. Look at that. Look at that. I swear. Look at that. Look at that. I swear. I swear. I'm decent with it though, y'all. I'm trying to tell you I'm decent with it. Remember how I started off? Look at them grades though. 30 something years old. But look at that. Look at that C1C cup. That Connecticut C. Follow me, y'all. Follow me. Yeah. C1 the barber. Thank you for watching.